Hey, welcome back to Planet Crafter, everybody. And after that last episode, oh my god, that was awesome. The meteor with the trade tokens, that was beautiful. But I wanted to show you this. Is it here? We did get our osmium rod, and we got the fusion energy cell. And I was thinking, we got those areas that we haven't gotten into. So we should make those fusion energy cells. And what do we need for that? That is in here. Oh, don't have any pulsar quartz. Oh yeah, we do actually. We're not using this yet. We got pulsar quartz now. Oh, let's go ahead and put the zeolite in there. Put this in there. We need that osmium. How much osmium do we need? We can only make one of these, but one is all we really need. Give me another one of them. Yes, I've been making osmium rods. And one super. And we'll make one of these until we can get some more pulsar quartz. I wish we could make the pulsar quartz right now. Okay, and I want to run over to the... Oh, that's right. Let's go ahead and grab that out of you. This thing's been making food like a mad. I love it. And actually, it took all my mushrooms out, or mushrooms, my beans out of there. It reached this far. So, oh, that was a waste. I didn't want to do that. Take some water with. And let's get that little sweet spot and get a drink. Top off. Come on. There you go. Okay, I think this was the first one I wanted to hit. Then we can take this thing back out. That's the good thing. I should make a recycler. Because a recycler, anything you put into it, you get all your materials back. Oh, that's right. We don't need air. I keep forgetting that. We don't need air, just food and water now. Was there anything left in here? Not really. Oh, turn light on. Alrighty, this way. No. I swear one of these walls had to be destroyed. I'm still thinking from the olden days. They might have had that removed. Where is it? Why am I rushing? I'm rushing and I don't need to. Did I empty all these out? Yeah, I did. Really gotta destroy them things. There you are. You're gonna open some doors for me. Oh yeah, you heard that. Excuse me, I had refried beans. Okay, this door opened. First things first, let's check you out. Oh, there's some pulsar quartz. Actually, we'll take... Oh, look at that! 100 token! We'll just use that right now. Take up space. It just takes up space. What is it? Flour. Noodles. Oh, we have those. We'll take all that too. Because I'll eventually dump stuff we don't want. There's nothing on the shelves. I'll take that. That is a circuit board. There's wreckage over there. No, take the wreckage. There, it's out of our way now. We'll take all that. I think we're going to be dumping some of the... Really? I gotta jump over you? Dumping some of these seeds. You know what, throw... Squash is not that important. Well, neither's that seed, though. Give you another seed in here. What seed do we have here? Here, organize it. What do we got? Mushroom, mushroom, mushroom. Oh, I guess you're gonna get a mushroom. Because I want this. That is a circuit board. That's a little bit more important. All right, let's go unload all this. And then we'll come back and see if any other doors opened up. But I think that was the only door that opened up. Oh, it's nice to come through these places when you don't have to worry about air. I'm always running around. Oh, that one opened up too. Okay. This is one of the reasons why I put this box in here. This way when the storm comes through, we don't get hit. Oh, no. Give me the food back in case we need food. You can take that. I think we're going to build another box. Don't have the iron for it though. What? Is that super alloy? Or just a storm? If you hear that one that sounds like thunder, that's the one you want. It was this way. Oh, yeah, straight ahead. Alright, let's get these two first. And what do we got in here? Oh, good, more pulsar quartz. We're gonna need them. Alright, do we want to grab those other seeds? No. Not necessary. But I think that was the only other door that opened, right? What are you, common? Yeah, that was the only other door that opened. Even though you got that big door, that other door right here somewhere. This one here. This one, it doesn't open and you can't destroy it. And there's no way I know of to open it. Man, I wish I could destroy this thing. I can't. Because that thing is annoying. And I want this back. Oh, they're locked now? You can't take... Oh. Used to be able to take them out. That's a bummer. I was just figuring we'd take it back and use it in the next one. That's what we used to do. I'm going the wrong way, aren't I? Nope. Not. Alright, let's see. What do we want to keep? What do we... well, actually, we want to keep it all, but... Alright, let's see. We definitely want all the pulsar quartz, because we're going to have to make more of these now. Oh, you know what? Do it this way. Make another box. This is stuff we'll come back for. Come back for the seeds for one thing. And that. I got plenty of that. Oh, but I want it all right now. Why? Because I'm just going to dump it in one of the chests in there. Actually, a lot of this stuff is not really mandatory. We're going to leave the water here and the food. Not that we're going to be going back into ship anytime soon, but we'll take this because that's a little harder to make. And then we'll take the rocket engine. Who knows? Might be launching rockets again soon. Okay, and there was nothing. Oh, that's a. We're going to leave. Okay, I guess that's good. We'll have to remember we got this in here and the shade of flowers, which we have tons of. What do we get though? We got trees. Oh, we got another one of those plant vulnus. And okay, not bad. Wasn't a bad haul. Doing that little bit. We'll have to make another one of them, but I think the other ship over there needs 2. Cost us our teleporter. But it's okay, it's not like we were using the teleporter yet. Oh, how are the plants doing? Oh yeah, I need to harvest them again. This was not exactly what my plan was for the day. Oh, yeah. I think I needed to empty that. And I'm getting a decent amount of circuit boards finally. Was this one? No, that one was supposed to be sulfur. But, oh, you doggone bees. Bees keep fooling me. Alright, we're going to have to make a few of those. Alright, let's go ahead and get rid of all this where it belongs so it's all in place and it's out of the way. Got motors behind us, and I did mark it for engines because we got quite a few of those. And I really need to start bringing these over. I've been hauling over back and forth with these. Alright, the rest of this goes over here. No. Thought I had... Oh, wow. Well, I could put all these in here. That's a tree. I'll throw the tree in the other one. Bacteria. Explosives. Fertilizer 2. Oh, that's good. I did make a whole bunch of fertilizer because it takes fertilizer to make fertilizer 2. Oh, mutagen. Yeah, little things I do. Just keep me busy. No, it wasn't you. It was you. Because I think, yeah. Oh, I got the plant volas in here, so. I didn't have anything growing in here, did I? No. Okay. What about in here? No. Alright, alright. Let's see. 3, 2, and 1. I hate to use them. We'll make 2 of these. Okay. So I think there's 2 more ships with those hidden doors. Grab a food, grab a water. And a drink of water. So I don't have to worry about it. Eat a food too, why not? And we're full up. Alright. Can't remember if it was that ship or Stargate. Let's go to this ship first. I didn't even know that they had the trade token things in there. That's even better. No. Yeah, there is an underground bunker somewhere over here, and I think it's underwater now. That we never searched. Okay, and we don't have to go in for air, which is a good thing. Oh, gotta go up the ladder, though. Alright. And we can take our sweet time. On all these. Oh, yeah, a lot of electronics. Alright. Oh, no. Straight to the reactor. And that's this way. This way. No, it's not this way. Wasn't the reactor on the ground floor? Okay, we'll check upstairs then. But I thought the reactor was on the ground floor. Nope, it's right there. Okay, that opened this. Oh, yeah. That's the hidden wall. Told you there was a hidden wall in here. Nobody ever believes me. Alright, up and over. No, don't get stuck. Go up and over. Okay, no tokens. What is that? Terra. New tree. What was that tree? 125. Not that good. Well, we'll drop that. I don't know where that came from. Oh, good. Another one. We got to get at least 3 pulsar quartz out of these. don't look like we're getting it. Seed pesta. We got them already. Oh, I just noticed that. We had one. Oh, 100. I love it. We'll take that. We'll take that. On our way out. Oh. We'll take that. There's no other hidden room in here, is there? Oh. That was the only hidden room, right? I think so. Let's see, did that open up another door? Yeah, it did right there. What was that? Oh, you know what? Let's go unload real quick. This way? No. I was looking at the window. Oh. Come on. Oh, right there. Can it be destroyed to get it out of our way? No. That can. No, that can't either. Wow. Interesting. All right, what are we stuck on? Okay. Stuck on nothing. Alright, you better have a box in here to throw all my aluminum away. Or metal. Oh wow, we had a bunch of seeds in here. So far, only one pulsar. That is not good. We need more. We need 2 more pulsars. Oh, I threw that in there. Because I think... Oh, no, well, if we need it, we'll come back for it. We got more goodies to find. Oh yeah, did it open up that other door? Wait a minute, this wasn't it. No, we're not going this way yet. We went this way. There was another door over here. Yeah, it opened up this one. We got another pulsar. That's 2 so far. We'll take you guys while we're in here. How come you can take these apart so quick, but you can't take apart the other ones? Oh, and hidden walls. Just checking. Alright. Let's go back down there. Make sure we got everything. Oh, that was a ladder that lit up. Okay, nothing there. Nothing here. Alright, back upstairs. It was that door there. That one we already cleared. Oh, we got 2 doors. Okay. Come on, we're looking for pulsar quartz, man. Okay, that makes our 3 pulsar quartz that it costs us to get in here. Nothing on the shelves. Yeah, it's weird that there's nothing on the shelves in there. I know we're almost full, but I want to open it up and see what we got over here. And there, oh, how full are we? We can only take 2 more. I got 2 iron, so I'm gonna need 1 more iron. I'm gonna grab one of them boxes. Okay. Let's just, out of curiosity, see what we got. Oh, we got a note. Another 100 token. We'll take that. Take that with us. What's in this one? Oh, 2 more pulsar quartz. Oh, this was awesome. Alright, we gotta come back and grab that. Let's see, am I gonna go the right way this time? No, of course not. No, that was not the right way. It was this way, because it hooks this way. We go this way. Oh, we still got another way to check in here, too. Really? Gonna stop me from getting out? 'Cause I'm taking all your goodies. Oh, this one's going to be a multiple take back. All right. Okay, was you two? Yes. Then you guys. Oh, thank you very much. Appreciate it. I don't want those. All right, we got one last place to check. No, I was looking at the right way. And then we're out of here. That would be this way. I don't know what we keep getting stuck on. Okay, we'll go this way first. That doesn't do anything. Anything in... There is a chip in there. Was there a door here? How did we miss this? Because there was a chip and an eggplant there. There must have been a wall here. The chip I might dump because we have everything already. Nothing here. Oh yeah, it must have opened this up. Seeds on the ground. Nothing in the cabinet. Nope. Alright, I'm going to be selective on this one because I... Oh, another 100 token. Take that, that, and that. I'm not worried about... Oh, you know what? I will take their uranium. Aluminum can stay. I don't think so. That is a big box of metal, though. Oh, crap. We ain't got no water on this. It's in one of the boxes. Yeah, see, now the stuff's coming in on the shelves. Yeah. If you hit the stuff, it'll... Oh, we're full. Alright, now we can run. Do we have water near us? No. Wow. Okay, we are definitely going to be full because there's a little bit more left in here. And I am greedy. Really greedy. I want it all. It's all mine. We did these, right? And we'll take that. That. You know what? Do it like this and then throw the aluminum back in there. Same thing here. Throw the aluminum back in. And eat the food. Wow, just tons of seeds. So this is where we were at, I think. When... Yeah. So this was the last of it. This must loop around. Does it? No. We were down that. This is one all metal, yeah. Only two passages? And then this one. Okay, that was it. Wow, major haul. I like this. Oh, there's the light. Go to the light, Carol Ann. Okay. Turn this light off. The thing is really blinding. All right. Oh, yeah, we're completely full. We will take all of those. We are going to leave as much seed as possible. Wow, just trying to take one full load is not going to be easy because there is just so much. Oh, yeah, take that. I want the engines. Have some more seed. It's just way, way too much. Look at all the circuit boards. I didn't even do that on this. Yeah, I'm going to have to do this off camera. Just look at all this good stuff. Well, not necessarily this one. I mean, there's a few good things in here. Oh, I want that back. We're going to need that. It's got to be the other ship. The Stargate ship. That has... that you need 2 of these. What else do I want to take with me? I don't know why I keep grabbing motors. But I do. And I will definitely take that. Take that. And we'll call it for that. Alright. I will make... do I want to make one more of those? Or just wait? Is that a passage in there? No. I might wait to see. Maybe I'm wrong and there's not 2 fusion reactors. Maybe there's only 1. Worst case scenario is we have to go back and make one. I don't want to waste a pulsar quartz since we can't take them out. We used to be able to pull them out. Because when they first came out with that, we would just pull it out, take it over to the next ship, put it in to get into those back compartments. It was smart of them to lock those. Because, yeah, we were cheating the system. Okay. And now we got a few more pulsar quartz that we were in desperate need of. And I know this is going to be stupid of me to do, but... Yep. I gotta stop saving these. It's just like a force of habit, though, to collect them. Only 1 of them? Yeah, it's a bummer. Okay. We got 1 more ship to hit. And we are definitely getting a really good collection of things. We're gonna launch a bunch of rockets. One of these days I'm gonna have an episode on just rocket launches. And that's all we'll do. We'll sit here for an hour launching rockets. Oh, crap, that's full. Iridium rods. You're not full. Take the rest of that. Alright, you're going in junk drawer. You know what? Where's my junk drawer? I'll make you a junk drawer. Just throw everything in there. Why am I wasting time doing that? Okay. And the reason I am taking a food and a water with, I like to leave them in the different capsules in case they're needed. Okay. We're going to Stargate now. That's the only other one that would have one of these. Oh, yeah. Lots of good stuff. Yes, I seen that zeolite over there on my left. It was tempting. Oh, and that last episode, I was on for probably about another half an hour. Those crates from the meteor, they sat on here the entire time. They did not disappear. So if you're on and one of those meteors comes down with the crates that have the token script in it, they stay on for quite a while. I don't know if it's because I accessed them or if they just stay on while you're on. Not a cave? Nope. Oh, you know what? I was right here. Yeah, it's too far away. There's water over here. I figured I'd top off my water. Water goes faster than hunger. Oh, I hate that. There it is. Alright, we're going to drop this in here. Oh, don't tell me you're full. Oh, look at the chips in here. Chips and no salsa. Oh. Have a little light. Little light in your life. It'd be nice to be in here without the water. Alright, it sounded like something opened right next to us. Yeah, it did. I think. No. No, this was... Oh, no, that's new. That's new. Alright, there's those. But I'm more interested in that. One pulsar quartz. Come on, you guys gotta give me 2 more. Okay, good. That was a fair deal. Oh, plants. Alright, you know what? Taking up a lot of my space. And I know where you're at. So, throw that in there too. Because I want these circuit boards. Because we're going to be making drones soon. Oh, I didn't see you. Oh, yes, I'll take that for sure. Thank you very much. Oh, man. I can only grab 2 of you. I hope there wasn't anything else. Probably was. Because that couldn't open just that one wall. It didn't. Nope. Oh, or, wait a minute. This is that thing we went down, right? This is the only time we use oxygen. You ever notice that? When you're in the water. See how my oxygen's going down? As soon as you get out of the water, you're no longer using oxygen. Isn't that weird? Alright, there was some round doors in here. I wanted to see if they opened. Or not round, but there was those kind of doors. I guess they don't open. Any other door in here? No, that's the exit. I guess that was it. I thought there was something else. Yeah. Oh, you're rare. This was on the way to the fusion reactor? Yeah. Let's see if we can get that back. Yeah, see, it won't let me have... Oh, I'm full, too. So it won't let me have it. Okay. Well, it is what it is. Okay, it wasn't a bad stash. We did get 3 more crystal. It paid for the trip here. Let's see, what did we have in here? Let's drop these 2 in here. See if there's anything in here worthwhile we want to take back with us. Wow, there's a lot of microchips in these. Oh, we got some zeolite in here too. You know what? I'm gonna have to do this on my time. I'm gonna clear all these out. And air we don't need. Plants. I got 2 slots. I might as well take 2 things back with me. Well, I'll take the bacteria. Actually, I still got 2 slots. That sounds like... That's not loud enough. But it almost sounds like the one that gives you the crates. Well, it might be. It is. Oh, no, I didn't see any crates. I wonder if it's because it hit that. Because it didn't drop anything. That's where most of the debris went. Yeah, usually you see like a ship piece too. You see a ship, you see the stone, and you see the crates. I wonder if everything's up there. Because that didn't drop any kind of metals. That's what makes me think it was one of those. I don't think I can get up there either. I mean, I've done some goofy things on climbing. Yes, where there's a will, there's a way. But there's nothing here. Oh well, I think we got gypped on that one. Because I think that was one of them. Oh well. They're usually, like I said, a single meteor. They're really loud. Like a freight train. They all can't be winners. Yeah, well anyways, that's the 3 ships that you use that little fusion thing on. And so it cost... Oh, there's nothing in there. It cost us 9 quartz crystals. And we got more than 9 back, so it's a win-win. Plus we got some other goodies. But I started making the... tongue-tied. The T3 mineral extractors in the Iridium mine. And what I'd like to do is put a platform over there and put in an auto crafter. We don't have the drones yet. We won't get them. Where do we get the drones? I'll get rid of this. I think the drones are 80. Oh, I hate when it does that. Alright. They're 62 or 82. I can't read it. Print's too small for me. So as soon as the drone station comes in, we'll be able to automate that. It's one of the good reasons why I'm collecting all that good stuff. And that, my friend, it is full. Dump station. Nope, that's another dump station there. We got too many dump stations. Okay. Let's grab you out of here, because that honey is collecting up massively. Throw that in here and chow out on one. Get some water, and we are good to go, because that thing is going to be popping in very soon. We get our drones, we are going to be in business. So, let's go ahead and make these. That is titanium, and then those 3 rods. Alright, was there titanium in here? Heck no, but we got one of the rods. I need to make a drill for titanium. Titanium, titanium. How much titanium we got? Not much. Alright, there's 15. That'd be enough for 5. Oh, let's do this real quick. Give me that. Throw that rod in there. Take back 2 of these. Or 3. Give me some aluminum. I'm gonna make a couple more of these. Let's start getting that automated next. Okay, there's the 5 I need of that. Need 5 of you. And yes, it might seem like I'm going overboard. Oops, rods. A little overboard, but it'll all work out in the end. And I need some iron. I'll take 5 iron so I can make a platform. This way we could start getting automation going over here. When did we get an Iridium rocket? Huh. I haven't launched anything. Oh no. Yeah, that could have been when I dumped it on the ground. As you can see, I got 3 of them right now, or 4 of them. Right now, so far. These are all making Iridium. And we're going to lose power soon. I'm going to have to be making these because we don't really have the resources for this yet. Okay, and then what we do is this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 6, yeah. Why are you in the ground? There you go. Oh, you're in the way there. Hey, bug. My light on, I can't lock in on him. Why can't I pick you up? Because the platform was in the way. Is it about the right spot? Yeah, I think so. And let's see if we got enough room. I hope I left myself enough room here. Oh, it's not gonna do it. You're not gonna allow them over here? It's out of the zone? Really? Oh, man. I don't believe it. Give me a green light again. Yeah, won't let it go back any further. That's it. Oh, you're only gonna let me put one. What about the... Unless there's something in the way. No more bugs on the ground. I seem to want... Oh, holy cow. Wow. You want to talk about a lot of uncommon? Oh, no. That didn't affect you there. Oh, those rocks are going to be in the way there. Wow! I've never seen that many uncommon all in a row. I got enough for one more rig. I'm hoping I can get it right here. No. Well, let me put the rig there. Ideally, I'd like to have it there, but it's not going to allow it. Because I might be able to squeeze a foundation here. Nope, it's not going to allow a foundation either. It's too far away for that. But it might work for there, and it'll grab these. Let's see, do I want to transfer up to here? No, because I got these rocks here too. I'm just sorry, I'm talking to myself, trying to figure an optimal place for this without drones. Oh, and that'll disturb this down here. Oh, you can drink water out of that? Oh, it said drink. Good. Oh, did I see another one? Is that another uncommon? Oh. Oh, now it's going to give me comments. I wonder if I can put it back here. I'm trying to find a really good place for the auto crafter. Oh, come on, you just lit up. Get out of the red. That's an even better place. Because where this is at, this might reach those two, but it should reach all 6 of these for auto crafting. Yeah. Another common. Okay, pick this one back up. I know it seems a bit crazy, but I can put one more in right there, here then. Alright, let's get these all set up for Iridium. And we didn't lose power. I'm sort of shocked on that. This is why I like them next to each other. You just walk from one to the other. And those other rigs are probably completely filled right now. Yep. Oh man. I don't want the commons, I'll take the uncommons all day long. Okay, this is perfect. So we got 6, 7, 8 rigs. And we'll set up 2 auto crafters here. That'll get us 10 every... So look on. 10 every 10 minutes. Oh no, actually, yeah. No, it'll be less than that. Be about 10 every 2 minutes. If I'm crunching the numbers right. Okay, we can get rid of the rest of this iron. I mean, when we first start to rig up, of course it's gonna immediately, I'll get rid of the light, immediately start filling. But after it empties out the mineral extractors, they take a minute each. Oh, where are we going? Where are you going? Commons go here. Takes about a minute each per to get the iridium. Okay, and we need super alloy and osmium. Super alloy rods, not super alloy. Get that correct, man. And I need 2 of these. Alright. Oh, could have made more than that, but that's alright. And osmium, which I don't think I have here. Nope, I don't. We gotta go get some osmium. And I know we got osmium. Oh, we got tons of osmium. And we'll get our autocrafters rolling. More meteors. Oh man, these guys just keep changing colors on us. Now I do have a couple of the T3s in here, which pretty soon I'm going to auto-craft in here. But I might take it to the other mine. That mine that has Iridium in it. It also does osmium, and I can actually squeeze in more. Actually, further down in that mine is even better. It's flatter. Much, much flatter. And there's also zeolite in there. What was I gonna make? Do I have everything I need on me? Yeah, why did I stop at home? I don't need anything here. Get our autocrafters going. Start stockpiling. That iridium's still sitting on the ground. That must have been when I threw it out of my inventory. And I just didn't see it. Okay, these things are going to be cooking from the moment I put them in here. Okay. And there will be at least 4 of them here. Okay, we're going to disconnect this one for now. That'll put our power back on. Alright. You are going to be doing iridium rods. There's no supply and demand on these yet. Not until we get drones. So unfortunately we have to go back and forth. Okay. Now we're going to have to make nuclear power for a few. Which is okay. Well, you know what? We could put another one of those fusions in. I mean, the way we're progressing... put that in. Oh, I need 2 of these. Give me... Oof. I gotta go get, restock. I missed my drones. It was so much easier with the drones, wasn't it? Oh, doggone it. Had that rod sitting in there. Didn't have to make a rod. Okay, let's get that reactor up and running. So close to auto crafting. Well, there you go. All right. And I'll have to put a storage box over here. Yeah, filled already. Actually, we do have a storage box. What's in it? It's the one that was sitting here. There's no iron in it. I need iron. Now, I want to see... Well... Can't tell if anything's being pulled. You notice every so often, if you guys play this game, that you don't get a circle around these every so often. Like here, there's no circle running around it. Alright, oh, that could be one of the new ones. Alright, it's emptied this one already. So in no time flat, these that were already here have been emptied. But is it pulling from here though? That is what I'm wondering. And I don't think I could put an auto crafter on these. I'm curious if I can. Because I don't think that'll reach. Alright, are you crafted? No, you're not. Okay. Wow, it ate up all that iridium already. Alright, I want to see if I can put an auto crafter on this. I don't think I can. No, it won't let you. Won't let you put it on the ground either. What do we got here? I gotta pick them up, get them out of the way. Yeah, that... Oh yeah, it reaches it. The line is going behind them. At least it looked like it was. Well, we'll find out in a bit. Because if we come back and these are full... Yeah, hydration. Oh, there's enough to make a rod. It's not reaching them. Oh well. I might have to move those 2 drills then. Or put another auto crafter over there. Eventually I'll pull those auto crafters out of there. And they're going to be put in the base. And just all those... Everything there is going to be put on demand to be brought here. But I think this is full right now or close to it. Give me that. Yeah. Yeah, and you're full, right? Can you take one more rod? Yeah. Yep, that was all of it. Rods. Okie doke. Alright, well, at least that part is done. We are now auto-crafting our iridium rods. Because that is my only source for the trade. Is going to be, I mean, yeah, the pulsar quartz or the circuit boards are the big bucks. But I'm going to do it strictly with the iridium rods to prove that it can be done, oops, with just using iridium rods. And iridium rods are not really high pay, but I can rank up everything I need with just using that. But I'm going to go ahead and call it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I do upload daily, and occasionally I do miss a day, but I try not to. And I hope to see you guys on the next episode of Planet Crafter. This is Gmo signing out for now. Until next time. All right, everybody. Enjoy your gaming, and bye-bye for now.